I'm still waiting for the chickens to go into the compost pile. This is day 2. I turned the compost pile a little bit and I scattered some mealworms, but they still won't go in there. I don't know what it is. If it's those logs making them leery or what. Or they just like the security of the tight area of the fencing. You know, it's pretty much a channel coming down to the compost. Oh, and there you can see that I did not finish painting the coop yet. That's a project for later today, I think. Well, while the girls are waiting to see who's going to be brave enough to go in the compost pile, I don't know, you can see I've started piling up some of the oak branches that fell down on our big brush pile. But when I look back at where the branch fell, can't really tell that I started cleaning up yet. Yeah, another project for later today, I think. I did scratch away some of the chips over where that one red is to make like a path or a place for them to do a dust bath. I hear that's good for them. I don't know if it controls for bugs on their feathers or what. I'm still trying to learn this stuff. Boy, look at that stripe over there. I have 2 Easter eggers, stripe and chocolate. Chocolate's this one right there. That's chocolate. And that's stripe, named by my grandkids. When they were just little chickens, without true feathers, they looked more like their names. But my oldest grandson thinks they have mohawks, so they are kind of cool looking, especially Chocolate when she ruffles up her neck feathers and they stick way out like a clown collar. Well, I think this is enough filming. They don't appear to be getting any closer.